what you think about all the rappers who want to be pimps now? What's your opinion on that?
Well, all of them want to be pimps ain't going to be able to be no pimp, can they have it? A lot of them suckers. A lot of them ain't growed up yet. A lot of them gangsters. A lot of them ain't going to be able to do this. A lot of them pimps. A lot of them players. If it ain't in you, my man, it's just not in you. See, a lot of y'all be saying y'all pimps. I know a lot of pimp boys out west talking about they pimps, but I know what they doing. Nigga, you selling weed, I know what you're doing. Just tell the truth. Nigga, don't be coming by me. Go over there with Bishop, not me. Because you funky bastard, you ain't had me nothing in a couple of years. Hand me mine. Stankin' nigga smelling like pee and booty crack. Niggas want to be recognized, but you ain't had nobody nothing. You're not getting on the stage with me if you don't have me nothing. You got to get me something. You get your woman, you pay your woman rent, you pay her car note. You bought her a brand new diamond last week. You ain't gave me nothing, nigga. You getting recognition being around the players.